This is part 2 of our Monsoon special Game Matter series, and this time we're taking a closer look at waterproof jackets and pants to keep you dry when you're on the move. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why should anyone spend money to buy a motorcycling rain jacket or pant when there are so many other generic raincoats and rain suits available that are often quite cheap too? In a country like India, there are millions of people who easily get by using these everyday raincoats, and we see them all around us. The truth is that many of us at ViaTerra have used these too, and in many ways, the genesis of our purpose-built motorcycling rain gear came from the challenge that we faced along the way. In a day-to-day scenario when you're riding around the city, you can afford to use rain gear that doesn't work always. The worst case if you get wet is to get back to the safety of your office or house and hit reset. Change your clothes, find some warmth, and all your discomfort can soon be forgotten. But when you're out touring on a motorcycle, you don't always have this luxury. Your waterproof jacket and pant need to meet a higher standard. It needs to be easy to get on and off in constantly changing weather. It needs to work so well that you can be confident that you will not have any water trickling down your neck, let alone getting you drenched while you're riding high up in the Himalayas. This just doesn't affect focus, comfort, and safety, but can actually even lead to physical illness in some cases. And it is when you hold your gear to this higher standard that the value of purpose-built product begins to shine through. A purpose-built motorcycling rain jacket like the ViaTerra B100 or the M200 is not only large enough to be worn over a riding jacket, but also has a full zipper at the front so that you can put it on or remove it without needing to remove your helmet. This means that you don't need to deal with an oversized rain jacket or struggle with getting out of your helmet each time the weather changes. The sleeves on these jackets are longer than regular rain jackets and also pre-curved. Regular rain gear is made for people who are standing or walking with their arms by the side and fall short when you extend your hands to hold the handlebar. You don't have that issue with the B100 or the M200 jackets. These jackets also have a wide elasticated or adjustable cuffs so that they can be secured over your riding gloves. If you're using waterproof riding gloves, this ensures that the water that flows onto your sleeve goes over the glove instead of into it, and therefore stays off your skin. Exhaust vents at the back ensure that the wind that passes into your jacket while you are riding flows out without causing the jacket to balloon up. The high collar provides protection to the neck, and with the M200 you can choose to keep or remove the hood based on your personal preference. Genuine YKK zippers with long zipper pullers make it easier to use these when wearing riding gloves. Again, something that day-to-day riding gear does not usually take into consideration. And then of course, the quite obvious use of high-vis colors and reflective elements hugely improves how visible you are to other traffic on the road, which is critical from a safety perspective. Overall, it's a lot of small things that add up to make a huge difference. A lot of similar functionality can also be seen with purpose-built waterproof pants. From the B100 and the M200 series, specially designed velcro or zippered systems at the bottom make it easy to wear or remove your rain pants without having to remove your shoes or boots. This saves time when you're trying to get into your gear quickly and is a lot simpler than fumbling around to remove and wear your boots or shoes every time you wear your rain gear. Here again, you can avoid grappling with oversized pants that keep slipping off, because while the rain pant itself is wide enough to fit over a riding pant, the elasticated waist ensures that it stays on comfortably. Longer inseam lengths, a pre-curved design, and a higher waist means that the pants will offer more coverage when your legs are folded in a typical riding position. This also helps to keep the pant up on your waist to avoid a gap between the rain jacket and pant while you're riding. Again, the differentiators are deliberate design and material choices that deliver genuine functionality. To sum this up, if you were to ask me whether you can use a generic raincoat to go riding, the answer will be yes, you certainly can. But in the long term, will it offer you the same functionality, convenience, and performance of a waterproof jacket or pant that is specifically made for motorcycling use? Our answer is no, it certainly won't. The good news is that at ViaTerra, we make 3 different types of rain gear that specifically cater to the budget and requirements of different types of riders. You can use the links in the description to find out more about the extremely affordable B100 series, the more touring-oriented M200 rain jacket and pants, and our more premium P300 series of rain gear. If you have any specific questions about waterproof jackets or pants, please drop them in the comments below or share them with us through the chat option on our website www.viaterragear.com. Thank you for watching.